All right, so this is a review of the S&P futures, ES Mini, MES, also the copy trading update for today, Monday, March 18th, beginning of the week. So it is the beginning of the week, and out of the gate at 7 o'clock, I got in around 9 o'clock and started sitting down about 9:15, so we can't really look at anything back here, but you can see the market popped up here fast. And I'm just going to point out things that we look for. Like we want, the formula requires a high and a higher high, and inside of a channel, and then a low and a lower high. But I'd like to prefer to get that lower high underneath the 80 line, which that qualifies. So there was a qualifying divergence right there. Nice little pullback. Started to see some kind of strength here, but we won't reach for that. We had a first 10 o'clock. We had the first quad rotation we called. Now the quad rotation doesn't qualify for a copy trade. I usually send it out as a Zello alert, and I do believe I did send that out as a Zello alert. Again, it talks about these potential areas of interest in the market. Market got a nice pop back up. Here we kind of rallied up, pulled back to the highs, pulled back, started to kind of develop a channel here. And just extended out. Even though we came underneath the channel, we kind of closed on it multiple times. Even here, we kind of got down, stopped on it, stopped on it, stopped on it. Here we were under, and then we got back. So we're going to continue to watch that trend line. And whenever you have a nice recognizable channel like this and you get a divergence, and we had that at 12 o'clock, we turn this, we move that up. Again, you can barely see it's hanging above the 20 line. It's a little bit, it's not a great divergence. It's a very shallow divergence. And it didn't go that far. It did go up. Then we had a decent one here. This was kind of a harder one to read into. And I don't know if that would have qualified. I mean, that was kind of a real tricky one because it was chopping down here. This was coming down. And it didn't really give us, so we didn't really call that one. So as you can see, not too many setups yet. There was a little divergence here. I was able to see it. But they were very, shallow. This was kind of a nice little bounce, but then we came back down, and it was choppy from this point on. Kind of trended up into this channel. We came down to this lower. This was actually a nice level because we had this recent channel line here. We came back to. All right, let's just go through this. Market kind of flagged out here, popped, and then dropped. We moved all the way back up, moved all the way back down. All we're looking for is a certain signal, remember? So we're looking for it. I don't see any of that here, and again, closes the day out. So there wasn't too many setups there, and that could be an issue. So I apologize if you're waiting for something today. I was definitely tuned in. I think I missed one that probably would have qualified. If I could do it over again, I probably, let me see. I think that 8 o'clock I wasn't here. It's not too much. I don't regret missing anything. I don't want to put anybody at risk. The good setups, when they show up, they will show up, and that's as simple as that.
Order filled. Order canceled.
So we're watching overnight now. Actually, I'm watching overnight for a setup here. So if you are tuning in or want to get this video, I'll be here until about 11 o'clock tonight trading. So if we have a setup, I'm actually going to go out on the copy trader. Keep your copy traders on tonight. Keep your copy traders on tonight. I like to trade on those. And for more information, check in the link. Check for the link in the description. And that's it for this one. DayTraderRadio.com.